It is not in your head. If your TSH is normal but you still feel exhausted, your dose might actually be wrong. Here is the problem. The normal TSH range is wide, usually from about 0.4 to 4.0. That is a huge range.
Some people feel fine at 3.5, others feel terrible, and most doctors just look for the number inside the box. They do not ask how you feel.
This video is part of the Pharmacist online thyroid playlist. You have already seen videos on starting thyroid meds, morning routine blockers, and TSH changes. Now we are answering the question that comes up more than any other. Why do I still feel off when my labs say I am normal? Let us start with the signs your dose is too low. Too low means hypothyroid. Your body is not getting enough thyroid hormone. The symptoms are what you probably felt before you started medication. Fatigue that does not get better. Brain fog.
Weight gain without eating more. Constipation. Cold intolerance. You are freezing when everyone else is comfortable. Dry skin. Hair loss. Depression that feels heavy and slow.
If you have these symptoms and your TSH is above 2.5, your dose might be too low for you specifically, even if your lab says normal.
Now the other side. Signs your dose is too high.
Too high means hyperthyroid. Your body is getting more thyroid hormone than it needs.
The symptoms are almost the opposite. Anxiety that feels electric. Insomnia. You are tired but cannot sleep.
Rapid heartbeat or palpitations. Heat intolerance. You are sweating when everyone else is fine. Weight loss without trying. Tremors in your hands. Diarrhea or loose stools. Irritability that comes out of nowhere.
If you have these symptoms and your TSH is below 1.0, your dose might be too high, even if your lab says normal. This is the part most videos do not tell you. There is a zone called the normal but wrong for you zone. Your TSH might be 3.8. That is inside the normal range. But if you have every symptom of being too low, that number is not right for your body. The same goes for a TSH of 0.6 with hypersymptoms. Normal on paper. Wrong for you. So what should your TSH actually be? Most people feel best with a TSH between 1.0 and 2.0. Some need it closer to 0.5. Some need it closer to 2.5. There is no single perfect number. But there is a pattern. If your symptoms match the dose direction, the number is probably wrong. If this distinction helps you make sense of your own body, share this with someone else who is still struggling on their thyroid medication. Because most people do not bring this up with their doctor. They just assume they are supposed to feel this way. Here is what you can actually do. Before your next appointment, keep a symptom diary for 2 weeks. Write down your energy level each morning, your sleep quality, your mood, your body temperature, your weight. Then bring that diary to your doctor.
Say, my TSH is 2.8, but here are my symptoms. They look like my dose is too low. Can we try a small increase and see how I feel in 6 weeks?
One more thing. Do not change your dose on your own. Thyroid hormone is powerful. A small change can swing you from too low to too high very quickly. Always work with your doctor. But you can be the one who brings the data. The research on this is clear. Patient-reported symptoms are just as important as lab values. The old model of treat to a number is changing. What the data has caught up to is what patients were reporting for years. I feel terrible, even though my TSH is normal. So here's the takeaway. Normal does not mean optimal. If you still feel off, your dose might be wrong, too low or too high.
Track your symptoms. Know which signs belong to which direction, and have the conversation with your doctor.
You are not crazy. You are not imagining it. Your dose can be wrong even when your labs say normal.
Now you know how to tell.